So for the last couple nights, I had my GoPro Hero 11 out there doing some night lapses for the entirety of the night. From August 11th at sunset to August 12th at sunrise, I did an entire night lapse every 30 seconds. And then from August 12th at sunset to August 13th at sunrise, I did a night lapse then as well. And the goal with this was to capture as many of those meteors as possible during the annual Perseid Meteor Shower. August 11th to 13th is the peak of that meteor shower, and I wanted to capture as many of those as possible. Now each night lapse is about 30 seconds in length, and when you watch the night lapse, you'll see some flashes in there, several of them, if you look closely, that were meteors. But what I'm going to do after both of those night lapses is I'm going to show you several individual images so that you can have a couple seconds to see each of those meteors instead of that flash that happens over the entirety of the night. And I will mention that conditions this year were great when it comes to the moon. There was an approximate 10% moon during this time, meaning the moon was very close to being a new moon. However, there were a lot of high clouds that went in and out of the area I was doing the night lapse. It wasn't a dark sky area, and being in a dark sky area is important, especially when you're working with a action camera like this. It's got a small little sensor in there. So you will get best results, especially with capturing meteors on here when you're in a fairly dark sky area. Enjoy.